Welcome back to my workshop. Now this is the second in a very mini series about these. I popped into Lidl's to buy some tape. If you've seen the first video, then you'll know that I bought the tape. I've already looked at these, which are a pair of garden shears. Now we're going to look at these, which are a pair of loppers, and then I'll do a follow-up video about these, which are secateurs. Okay, so in this video we're going to look at these little mini loppers. Right, so what have we got here? We've got some Parkside bypass lopping shears, okay, or loppers as you like to call them. This comes with a 3-year guarantee. This is obviously for very small jobs, but I decided to get these because the ones we've got at the moment are these monsters. Look, I can't even get it in the camera. Look, they're massive. And the problem with those is after you've been using them for about 10 minutes, they actually make your arms ache. But they're really good, but they're quite ancient. So I thought I'll get a little pair so you can just grab them and then do your lopping. Okay, so let's have a quick look at these. Now the handles I've got is like a really firm, like neoprene type of rubber. Oh, they do come off. Let's just hope they don't slide off. But I think if they do start coming off, what I can do is just put a bit of glue on there. That one doesn't come off. Okay, right. So we've got a little plastic cover here, and we got some instructions. They don't really tell you much. Maximum cutting diameter 25mm. That's on green wood. 15mm on dry branches. Care, maintenance, remove all debris after each use, clean at regular intervals with a dry cloth. Now if you don't, what happens is they'll end up like these ones, okay? They'll start going a bit rusty, and then when you clean them off, they just get rusty again. Okay, so anything, it's like any tool, you look after it and it will last forever. Okay, so that's enough of the instructions. Let's have a look at this. Take the little bag off. Again, it's worth keeping the bag just to keep the moisture off it when you're storing it for the winter. What do we got? We got there's a tiny little serrated or set of teeth here, okay, which will probably help when you're gripping a branch. Okay, let's have a look how long they are. Now overall, these are about 40 centimeters. Okay, so about 16 inches. Whereas these ones here, these massive things are, yeah, they're 77. Okay, so these are a bit long. But these ones should be ideal. So if you just want to quickly grab it and chop some stuff off, it's got a little stop there. Yeah, they're a pair of loppers and they're very lightweight and I quite like those. Okay, the blade, as you can see, at the moment it's nice and sharp. But I should imagine after I've been using it, or Mrs. Little Workshop's been using it for a while, there'll be a few dinks and dents out there. Okay, there's not much else to say about that, apart from how much they were. Let's have a look here. Now these are called bypass loppers, and they were £5.99. So, even if this handle does come off, unintentionally, I could stick that back on, but for £5.99 I think they're going to be a bargain. There's no play in this. Yeah, it's great, and you could actually take that apart when you want to sharpen it. Yeah, I'm liking those a lot. Right, let's test it on our branch in the workshop. Right, if you've seen the video for the shears, you'll know I've got a branch in my workshop. The reason is because it's too dark in the garden at the moment, so I can't go out and start chopping trees down. So I've bought a piece in so you can see it. But just literally, let's try it and see if it can cut. No problem at all. That's great. I don't know what else I can show you about that, but let's have a closer look. Right, so this is obviously not going to be very impressive, but and you all know how loppers work. As I say about these serrated little teeth things here, I think that actually helps grab the branch. Okay, so I've got it now. No pressure at all. Gone. No problem. All right, I think that's about it for these little fellas. Right, so that's just about it for these. These were $5.99, 3-year guarantee. I think they're going to be great because they're just like a really big pair of scissors. Okay, so nice and lightweight, and they work a treat. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, all moved. We're going to look at these little mini loppers.